Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a crucial aspect of any company's success: having a solid product or service and an effective marketing strategy. So if you want your business to thrive, you need to capture and maintain your customers' attention consistently. The key here is to build awareness about your business, especially if you are just starting out. And one powerful way to do this is through email marketing. And it's a fantastic tool to reach out to new customers and nurture relationships with your existing ones. Whether you are just running a digital business or a physical store with an online presence, missing out on email marketing means leaving a ton of potential revenue on the table. And that's where today's topic comes in. And we are going to talk about GetResponse, an email marketing platform that helps you achieve exactly what I just mentioned. Now, in this video, I'll cover GetResponse Features, who is it suitable for, their pricing plans, and even some challenges I encountered while using it. And if you are serious about making money online, you'll definitely want to stick around. And guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Mahesh Sopari from Collabik, and I've been making a full-time living online for over 6 years through affiliate marketing. And my focus has been on driving traffic, finding the right products to promote, and building an email list. It's been a great journey working from home. And guys, I've seen countless strategies come and go. So I'm confident my experience can be a valuable resource for you. So if you are interested in learning about my top performing systems for generating consistent online income through traffic and affiliate marketing, check out the first link in the description down below. And let's get started with today's video. Let's hop into my screen now. Alright, now first let's get into what GetResponse is all about. GetResponse has been around since 1997, starting as a basic email marketing tool. Over the years, they have expanded into offering a complete CRM, nothing but customer relationship management tool, and even a social media management feature. Its all-in-one approach means you can manage all your digital marketing efforts from one place, saving you time, money, and a lot of headaches, especially if you are not a marketing guru. Now, for example, if you are into affiliate marketing, you could use GetResponse to segment your email list. You could have one segment for new leads who just signed up, where you can send them a welcome email sequence introducing them to your best affiliate offers. Meanwhile, you could have another segment for more engaged subscribers, where you can share advanced tips, tutorials, and exclusive deals on the products you are promoting. Now, let's talk about pricing. GetResponse offers a limited free trial, which is a great starting point if you are new to email marketing. This trial lets you spend up to 2,500 emails a month and build a subscriber list of up to 500 people. It's not massive, but it's enough to get your feet wet. And if in case you want more options, GetResponse has 3 paid plans. As you can see, the pricing is showing in INR, but when we convert it to USD, the email marketing plan at around $20 per month, the marketing automation plan at about $60 per month, and the e-commerce marketing plan just around $120 per month. All of these plans offer unlimited emails and marketing automation features. However, the e-commerce plan includes advanced features like segmentation, which allows you to categorize your contacts based on their engagement. For example, you could create one segment for subscribers who have made a purchase and another for those who haven't. Then target each group with different marketing strategies. Let's say you're running an online store and the customer adds a product to their cart but doesn't complete the purchase. GetResponse abandoned cart feature can automatically send them a reminder email, possibly with a discount code, to encourage them to complete the transaction. And another feature worth mentioning is the ability to host webinars. If you are using the marketing automation plan or higher, you can host webinars for up to 300 people, and this is especially useful if you want to provide in-depth tutorials or product demonstrations, which can be a huge boost for affiliate marketers looking to educate their audience about a product. Additionally, GetResponse offers a social media management tool, and that's similar to Hootsuite, and this tool lets you schedule posts across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and X, formerly known as Twitter, all from within GetResponse. And this is incredibly handy, and it saves you the hassle of logging into each platform individually to post content. For example, if you're promoting an affiliate product, you can schedule posts that align with your email campaigns to create a more cohesive marketing strategy. Okay guys, now let's keep it 100% legit. There are some downsides to GetResponse. For one, there's not much difference between the marketing automation and e-commerce marketing plans unless you're set on using webinars for up to 300 people. If you don't need that feature, you could save more money by sticking with the marketing automation plan. Another significant downside is that GetResponse charges an additional fee if your contact list exceeds 1,000 people. For example, if you have 1,001 subscribers, you'll need to pay an extra $19 per month. The maximum list size you can have is 100,000 subscribers, and if you hit that, you are looking at an additional $700 per month on top of your plan fee. For affiliate marketers, this means you want to focus on quality over quantity. So if you have a smaller, more engaged list, you're likely to see better results than with a massive list of subscribers who don't interact with your content. Essentially, GetResponse is better suited for smaller businesses that prioritize high quality engagement over sheer numbers. So in my honest opinion, GetResponse is a solid choice, especially if you run a niche business. I was really impressed with how well it centralizes all aspects of digital marketing into one platform. And the automation features in particular are fantastic once you have got them set up. They basically run on autopilot, which frees you up to focus on other parts of your business, like creating content or connecting with your audience. For example, in affiliate marketing, once your email sequence is in the place, it can continue to promote your affiliate offers without any additional work on your part. This is crucial if you want to scale your efforts and focus on other tasks like driving traffic or building new funnels. So guys, if you're running a smaller business and concerned about growing too quickly, GetResponse might be just what you need. It allows you to scale at your own pace, ensuring that you don't compromise on the quality of your product or service. But if you are aiming for a larger scale operation with massive email marketing, you might want to look into other tools like Constant Contact or Brevo. These platforms are better suited for growing larger contacts lists without charging you extra for it. So guys, would I recommend GetResponse? Absolutely. Despite the extra fees for larger contact lists, the platform offers a comprehensive suite of features that can drastically improve the quality of your marketing efforts. It's particularly well suited for smaller businesses and niche marketers who understand the value of quality over quantity. And guys, remember, in affiliate marketing, it's not just about getting more leads. It's about nurturing the right leads to become loyal customers. GetResponse excels at helping you build these kinds of relationships, which is why I think it's a great tool for anyone looking to optimize their digital marketing strategy. And guys, if you're interested in giving GetResponse a try, don't forget to check out the link I've left in the description below for a discount and you won't find on their website. This could be a great opportunity to see how it works for your business without breaking the bank. And guys, that's all for today's review of GetResponse. I hope you found it helpful. And if you're new to email marketing, I can't stress enough how important it is to get started as soon as possible, guys. Okay, the leads and customers you could lose without email marketing might surprise you. As always, if there is something I missed or if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below and I'll get back as soon as I can. And guys, if you'd like to learn about how I make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of my home, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description, get registered and watch my free masterclass. And also, I've left my ebook called Solo Planner Recession Proof in the second link in the description. If in case you would like to try out, you can grab it for only $1 so that you can save a lot of time and effort creating these kinds of automated systems. So if you're interested, then you can please go ahead and purchase my solar planner recession proof from the second link in the description. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. And if you're watching this video for the first time, then I request you to please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notification, as well as it would be motivating me to create new content for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.